So this is a bit of an extra video on how to wind wool. So I wound, it was an ugly ball like this, and I've wound it into a nice little cat ball really. It's the sort of thing you have for a little cat, isn't it? And they can play with it. So I'm just going to show you how I started that, just in case you've never wound wool before. So you got the ugly ball, and you've got to find the start. There it is. So I found the start. And then what you do is you can put it around your fingers like this, or you can put it around your thumb. It's whichever you want. I kind of put it around my fingers. So I start winding like this. And then I take it off and I hold it here. And I wind again. And I kind of unwind the ugly ball as I go along. Sometimes the ugly ball is tangled. And then you have to take this through the tangled area. So, you know, I don't think it's too tangled, but we'll see. So I've wound that bit. So now I've got that, and I take it off carefully. And then, so you see that it's kind of, let's see, it's vertical here, and I'm going to do a horizontal across it. And that's how it tightens it up a bit and stops it from, yeah, okay. Now we come to the bit where we've got to untangle. Okay, it's all right. It's fine. If you have to untangle, you have to, you know, so don't be afraid of doing that. Do it slowly. And if anything sort of comes along like this, try and sort of pull it out a little bit. The thing is not to pull anything too tight. You want to pull stuff out so that it can untangle. You know, you don't want to pull anything tight. Yeah. There we go. So I've gone on the horizontal. Now I'm going to take it off again, and I'm going to go across again. So I'm going to put this on the vertical, the one I've just done, and I'm going to go around like that. Okay, so it is stuck now. Yeah, you just have to pull it around and make it unstuck. Right, there we go. Can be a bit unwieldy. Right, so you see you've got this tangled bit now. Well, I have. So the thing is to just pull it out as much as you can like this without tightening any of the knots, because knots start appearing, you see. Right, so I've got something here now, so I've just got to pull it out. Carry on pulling until it becomes a little bit less. Yeah, there it is. And then I might have to go through areas with, yeah, nope, I don't have to. There you go. Oh yeah, see the more you pull it out, the more it kind of straightens out a bit. Right, so now I've got, yeah, so I'm still doing the horizontal along here. I mean, there's the thumb method, which is apparently quite nice and very, and your ball starts looking like a ball from the beginning, you know. But mine, yeah, I mean, if it was a very tiny ball I might do that, but this is not going to be tiny. I mean, it's going to be a big one, isn't it? Yeah, so there. Right, so as you can see, I've got a little bit of a tangle here, so I just need to pull the tangle out really, and not pull it tight anywhere. So where is that bit of yarn going? And then what I can now do is I can take it off and take my yarn through any areas that I think it's getting stuck in. So yeah, so there we go. There it is. And pull it through here as well. There. Right, now I can start winding onto the ball without using my fingers, because I think it's big enough now. Tangled ball of wool. Yep, there we are. Now I'm not sure who is going to enjoy watching this, to be honest with you. It'll probably make you annoyed. But at the same time, I kind of wanted to show you how to just wind a ball if you haven't got a wool winder. I have got one somewhere. It's not with me at the moment. So, right. So I'm just going to wind until this gets kind of chunky. So I wind on the horizontal Oh, right, so yeah. We had to go and do something, so the lights changed a little bit. But I just wanted to show you the rest of this ball winding. Which, as you can see, slowly, it looks a bit weird. It's not quite a ball yet. And I think if you did it on your thumb, there's a way of doing it, like I said, it becomes more ball-like quicker. But you know, this works for me. So what you do is you just wind and move your ball as you go. So the yarn, you see, it starts going round and round. So you start with the vertical, the horizontal, and then slowly, as the ball becomes a little bit more firm and solid, yeah, just continue winding like this. Yeah, so you wind and you move. Cat. And you move the ball as you go, sort of. So I'm moving it with my finger like this. So unravel that ball a little bit. Hello, little cat. Oops. Yeah, and then slowly, as you can see, it becomes more and more round. Right, then when you get to a certain point, you want to move it around to the side and start again. Well, I haven't actually got any more tangles in my yarn anymore, so quite good. Oop. Yes. So the ball becomes more and more ball-like. And it's quite nice how the variegated yarn kind of covers it. You kind of have one colour, then you have another colour. It's quite nice. Oh, I've got a little cat tail flapping about, sorry. And I'm trying to do this. Got a little cat there. I might show you the cat in a sec. There, see? Right, I'm going to continue. So once I've done that a little bit on this side, I'm going to go on to the sort of horizontal or vertical or whatever you want to call it and start doing it there. And you just take it round. And if you take it round sort of slowly and carefully, you can actually make a really nice looking ball. There it is. You even get a little sort of hole in the middle, it's quite nice. That's the other side. Yep, and then I can start winding this way again. But what happens is with this, when you wind like this, you sort of keep on moving it round as you're winding. You get quite a nice tight ball, you see. There, see? Nice and tight. Quite firm. Right, I'm going to continue winding that up, and then I might show you that at the end. Happy ball winding. So here's the finished wound ball. Nice and tight. And that's my other ball that I've wound up for the socks. There you go. This is a bonus episode just showing you how to wind the balls. Let's centre that a little bit. Yeah. Anyway, have fun everyone.